It's Willie Gonzalez, and it's called Tacos Chiquita. We'll be cooking authentic Mexican food. My wife, of course, would be the cook, and I would just basically be, I guess, the support behind it. This is her dream. I'm just trying to fulfill her dreams and make it come true. In our area, there's a lot of younger guys that are single and they work crazy hours and don't have the time to cook. So they came to her and asked her would she be willing to cook, because they tasted her food and just gatherings that we've had throughout the neighborhood. And that's how it started taking off. 5 plate turns out to 25 plates, and then now you're up to 50 plates, and so it starts getting crazy when you're doing that at home. And so I told her I think it's time to go to that next level and get you a trailer. I've done a lot of research. I've looked at used, and I've looked at news, and I looked at different manufacturers. And at most of all, One Fat Frog actually stood out, way far from the rest of them. Quality-wise, major. It was a big thing for me, and it's all new to me. But you can see quality when it stands out, and so that's why we decided to pull the trigger with One Fat Frog. And you guys really knocked it out of the box. You did a great job. We've had some people say that they feel like they're back at home in their home country in Mexico. Her cooking is awesome, not because she's my wife, but I've had other people come up to me and ask me, hey, what kind of seasoning you put in this stuff? Because my kids don't even want to eat what I cook, and what you guys cook, they eat it all day long. And so I told her, I'm not the cook. You gotta talk to my wife.
So for you, you're not cooking, so you're going to do the majority of eating?
I'm just kidding. Probably so, yes.